So I'm building an Obsidian plugin that integrates my local AI setup with Olama into it, so I can basically have some kind of contextual chat or conversation with AI about the article or document that I'm currently working with. And one of the things I noticed by default in Obsidian is within the plugin that I'm setting up, I can't select this text by default, which would be really useful because I want to be able to select individual snippets of what my AI responds with and not necessarily just the whole damn thing. And that also kind of makes sense to behavior wise because Obsidian really realistically is just a web application that's wrapped inside of Electron. So you don't necessarily want, like, say, for instance, these tabs to be selectable. Like, you don't want users to be able to, like, just grab, use your cursor to select the text out of a tab. That would provide a pretty interesting user experience. But what I discovered, and I guess the point of this video today, is there is this user select CSS config, which can basically control what is selectable. And right now, by default, app.css, which is what kind of the entire Obsidian thing, I guess, is built on top of or uses, has user select set to none, which again makes sense. It makes it so you can't just come in here and select text with your cursor. But there are a couple of actually interesting values here. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to select this text here. And you can see in the text, there is this div.olama response, which is the CSS that's part of my plugin that I'm working with. And if I change this user select to text, this will give kind of that expected default behavior where I can use my cursor to select, select text from within the response, which is exactly what I want. But there's a couple of different options here. Like, one of the other ones is all. So if I set this to all, when I click on the text here, it automatically selects everything so I can copy it to my clipboard, which I thought was pretty cool. I didn't know about this one beforehand. In fact, I'm going to pull up the Mozilla, the MDN web docs. They talk about user select here. Pretty cool. There's a quick demo here so you can actually experience the difference in behavior between auto and none. And then if you scroll down a little bit on this page, all the values are explained here. Everything that could possibly be going there. So none stops the text. That's what we saw initially. Auto has a bunch of different rules based on the parents, based on the pseudo elements, the before and after. So I'll just let you all read through that. And then text and all we saw here. So just a cool little tidbit I wanted to share for the web devs out there. Thanks for sticking around. That's pretty much all I have for this video. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.